Yeah, back out again with the bikes. C8 Pate is back. So today is challenge day. We got challenged by a group out of Indianapolis. They want us to go around. We're going around, and we're going around to your sites in the city that you live in, and you're going around to all the cool spots or well-known spots in your city, and you're showing off your bike. And you're taking pictures in front of it and recording in front of it. So it's a challenge. There's a bunch of states involved in it. Today is Illinois. So we're going to get it today for Illinois and see what's going on. Chicago Ryker Riders on the loose again. Doing it again. All right, y'all, let's get out here. Everybody getting their bike started, ready for it, ready for that smoke. Take a picture, where they're gonna take a picture in front of all the cool sights and sounds of Chicago. That is what the plan is today. So, hold on, people. We're about to show y'all Chicago. We're gonna show y'all Chicago. Let's have some fun, y'all. I caught they ass. That's right, bonus coverage at the United Center, the house that Michael built. We got the Can-Am Ryker Riders. We got the Can-Am Ryker Riders at the house that Michael built, Chicago Bulls Stadium. Chicago Bulls Stadium. We got the house that Michael built.
We're doing a Repco City Challenge. Repco City Challenge, we're going against Indianapolis, Detroit, Kansas City. We're going against everybody. How long have you guys been doing this? We've been doing this since we formed in 2019. We've been riding hard since 2019. Wow, so every year you come here to run in the United Center?
No, this is a challenge.
This is a challenge.
Just like the crate challenge, stuff like that.
It's different bike routes in different cities, different states. We had a challenge called Repco City. So you guys doing some freestyle and all that? We covered all like the monuments, all the places that Chicago is known for. That's what we came to show off to the other cities. So we've been here,
This is Chicago. You see this nasty chest ass nigga right here? This Chicago. Where you from, player? Chicago. Tell them where, west side, south side? That's what's up. West side, Chicago. You know what I'm saying? West side is the best side. Y'all heard it from the nasty chest nigga? Yeah! Yeah! Represent your clique. Represent your clique. Okay. I see you, D. Oh, y'all know what Chicago known for. Chicago known for the stepping. Y'all see them stepping. Y'all know what Chicago known for. Chicago known for the stepping. They stepping in front of the United Center. Okay. Y'all know what Chicago known for. Chicago's known for the stepping. Let me see them stepping out. Okay, what y'all got? Oh, okay, I see you. Okay. All right. Y'all know what Chicago known for. We known for the stepping. Hey. Yeah. We known for the stepping and the footwork. My boy Carlos getting that footwork. Oh. Don't hurt him, Carlos. Oh. Yeah, show them what we about, right in front of the United Center. Yeah. Chicago Ryker Riders, right there. Y'all know what it is. Okay. I gotta go through here and look at some of these kicks. Let's see what Chicago. Okay, so Carlos, tonight, it's not just about the bikes for us. It's about that shoe game too. Chicago, Carlos got on them peach and black things. He got on them peach and black things tonight. You know what I'm saying? My boy Carlos got on them peach and black things tonight. Y'all see him? Okay, Carlos. Okay. What you repping tonight? Okay, you got them young Air Maxes on. Okay. You know, we're not just about the bikes. We're about the shoes too. Let me see what you got tonight. Okay. We're not just about the bike. We're about that shoe game too. Let me check this out. Yeah, we're about that shoe game too. Chicago. Oh, I like them. Yeah, I see you. Yeah, we're about that shoe game. Yeah, Chicago, baby. Chicago, baby. It's all about that shoe game. We're about that shoe game. Let me see. He got on them Nikes. He got on them Nikes. We're about that shoe game. We're about checking out that shoe game. Okay. Oh, you gotta show your red bottoms, huh? We're about that shoe game. Got that black. What's going on with your shirt? Oh, they matching the shirt. I see. First lady, what you got on today?
Gucci for me.
Oh, got on them young Gucci. Okay. That's what we do. Nike. Okay. Hey, we not just about these bikes, right? We not just about these bikes. We're about this shoe game too. Let me see what we got here. Oh, we got another pair of Gucci. Y'all. All right. We out in the house that Michael built. Yeah. The Bull Stadium. The house that Michael built. Y'all see my team. Y'all see our bikes. Y'all see the shoe game. Yeah. And the Chicago Ryker Riders would like to bid you a good night. I see y'all. Get it. We back with you. We down at Buckingham Fountain. Sorry about that. We down at Buckingham Fountain. You see the fountain is on. That's water, y'all. Y'all see the Chicago Ryker Riders down at Buckingham Fountain. We got the lights on. Oh shit. Y'all see all our fans in the background recording and checking us out. I see y'all. Hey, where is this again? What is this called again?
Chicago Ryker Riders.
What is that called? What's that?
Buckingham Fountain.
Oh, the fountain. And what?
You know we downtown, man. Buckingham Fountain.
Buckingham Fountain. Y'all don't know about us. Hey, what's that called again? Okay. Yeah, I see you. Acting a fool in downtown. I see you. Talk that shit. Chicago Ryker Riders. Y'all see the squad. That's the sound, y'all. Buckingham Fountain, downtown Chicago, the middle of downtown Chicago. Ryker Riders. Let's go, let's get it. All right. Yeah. Oh my God, how many of them is it? They just keep coming. Oh my God. How many of them? Oh my God, how many? How many of these people are there? How many of these people are there? Another one. And another one. And another one. Okay. I see y'all. Oh! Beautiful video. But then CPD showed up again on us, y'all. We're trying to do our video shoot. They showed up again. Y'all see what we do for y'all, America? We trying to show y'all the sights and sounds of Chicago. Look at that. We risking tickets. We risking it all just for y'all. Let's go, Chicago Ryker Riders. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's go. So in our first stop, showing everybody in our first stop of Chicago, first stop we're showing is the Museum of African American History. Y'all see it up there? All right, half the light is out, but it's cool. Y'all know what it is. African American history. Y'all see the bikes. Y'all see the team. African American history. Want to show you that. We wanted to start there first and show y'all a little bit of our history. African American history. Okay. Wakanda forever. Wakanda forever. Yeah. Got all the bikes out. Again, this challenge is show your city. This is the first piece of Chicago we wanted to show you. It is a whole museum on African American history. Former Mayor Harold Washington. Yeah. Y'all hear the team? Okay. That's how you represent right there. All right, next stop. That's the first part of what we wanted to show y'all. First part of Chicago. See my group. We are the Chicago Ryker Riders. Just riding out today, having a little fun, doing what we do. Gonna show you the sights and sounds of Chicago today. I'll show you the sights and sounds of Chicago today. Oh yeah, y'all see it? I'm just riding along with the group today, getting a little bit of footage. Now I'm doing about 70 on this street. So I'm barely keeping up with them. So y'all, that tells y'all how fast they going. Which means they are going. They going. My squad is going. Oh, I forgot how many lights we run. So with that being said, I'm gonna need to keep up today. Oh man, okay, you know what? I should have bought one of my faster vehicles, because they are moving. They are truly moving today. I see you, team. I see you, team. They are moving today. Okay, what's she doing? She done hit that button. Gabby, what are you doing? You done hit that button? Oh, okay, now she going. All right. Whew. It might be a little difficult to keep up with them today. Man. Maybe should have did this recording on my bike, right? It'll be hard to keep up with these people today. Oh man, they turning in front of cars. My squad doing some of everything. Whew. it's gonna be hard to keep up with these people today. How we gonna keep up, y'all? I'm trying to keep up here. I'm about to throw my damn trance out messing with the Chicago Ryker riders, man. This is some BS. I don't know what the hell they doing. Got me messed up trying to keep up with them right now. Man. Come on, y'all. Y'all gotta, well, at least there's cars in front. They couldn't go through this light. But man, if this light was green or yellow and no cars are in front, I wouldn't have been able to catch them. They was going through this one too. My team, they going fast, they driving, and that's what they doing. Okay. Where the hell are y'all turning? Alright, come on, Carlos. Yeah. Let's go, y'all. Oh no, there go a trap, the little speed trap thing where they take a picture of how fast you going. Man, oh man, I hate you, Chicago Ryker riders. Okay, I might have to. I'll come back in a second once I catch these. It is hard keeping up with the Chicago Ryker riders tonight. I mean, I'm in an SUV. Maybe I should have drove a Corvette, Mustang, something to keep up with them. It is so difficult keeping up with this group right now. Look at it. Look. Get back here right now. Oh no, green light. Now by the time I get up to that light gonna be red. Hold on. Move out the way. Move out. See, you see how hard it is to catch these fools? Come on, lady, drive. I'm trying to keep up with the Chicago Ryker riders. Now, see, now they gonna make me go through. Now this fool, why he all the way over there? Now he wanna turn. See, now I gotta go through the light. They done made me run a light. I am not trying to do this. Oh man, trying to keep up with the Chicago Ryker riders. Man, look at that. Oh, y'all thought y'all lost me. Y'all thought y'all, I am right here. Hello, I'm right here. Man, listen, Carlos, Gabby, Scat, Slim, she want everybody driving. They just riding. They done forgot about little old B. They just riding. It's hard to keep up with these people right here. But guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna keep right up with them. I'm gonna stay right with them. Hey, Carlos, stop hitting your brakes, man. Y'all see all those lights I had to run just to keep up with these people? Man, listen, we're supposed to go to about 6 more locations to show y'all our city. I don't know how many more of these locations I'm gonna be able to make with the way these people is driving. I should have brought me a co-pilot tonight. I got Carlos back here in the back. He trying his best to help me try to get through some of these lights. But the rest of them, forget you. Okay. Y'all gonna stop at this light? And thank you, Chicago Ryker riders, for finally stopping at a damn light. Lord Jesus, these people. Thank you. I love y'all. Look at them. It's construction everywhere, just like every city. It's construction every damn where. Man, all right, y'all. I'm about to shut it down for a second so I can try to keep up here. All right, y'all. I finally caught up with them. I finally caught up with them. Okay. We're about to snap this picture. The team is about to snap this picture of something. This is the South Shore Culture Center. This is the South Shore Culture Center. Again, this is the South Shore Culture Center. So it's a place where people come, you get a little Chicago culture. It tells you about some of the old buildings and so on and so forth. Back there is a beach. Right here is a hall. People get married in there. A lot go on here. It represents Chicago. It's called the South Shore Chicago Center. The South Shore Chicago Center. Just giving you pieces of Chicago. Not just the easy stuff. We're giving you the stuff that people just don't know about. We're not just going to give you Navy Pier. We're going to give it all to you. We want you to really get a good taste of Chicago. Look at this place. Look how the architects designed it. Y'all see it, the South Shore Cultural Center. All right, on to the next stop, people. All right, now this is a piece of Chicago. We over here by the lakefront. I don't know what this is. Hey, tell them what we're shooting for right here. What are we?
We got the Rep Your City Challenge.
No.
Right now we got Larry Peter Hospital, got Lakeshore Drive in the cut. We dip down, we do Chicago Ryker all out. We don't play around.
You think all these bikes gonna get back up this hill?
No, I was finna go down.
Oh.
But we gotta do the Rep Your City Challenge. If we out here, we're gonna do it.
This is the third location. Again, this is our president, Scat. He's the person that started it. Now, I don't know where all these kids coming from, but we attract the crowd. Chicago Ryker Riders. Hey, go ahead, kids, get in. Go ahead. Get in. Go. We shooting a video. Go ahead, get in. We shooting a video. It's a video. It's gonna be on TV. Get in. Go ahead, get in. Yeah, represent your city. Go ahead, turn up. Jump, dance, turn up. Yeah. Come on, we gonna ask the kids. Where y'all from? Rep your city, where you from? Chicago, say, where you from? Okay, where you from? Okay, where you from? Where y'all from? Alright, I see you. Yeah. Yeah, this guy right here, I don't know what's wrong with him. Rep your city, that's what we do in the city. When they act up, we do something. Where you from? You from west side, east side? You from south side? South side? Where the west side is at? Who from the west? Oh, west side? South side? West side? Where you from? You repping the west side, the east side? Okay. What? East side, south side? Ain't no west siders in this group? Y'all ain't got no love for the west side? Chicago Ryker Riders, I see y'all. We out here. Y'all see all that? That's water. That's where we hang out at. Come over here late night. Chicago ain't all bad. Ain't no police activities. Ain't no shooting in most areas. If you act grown and sexy, we keep it grown and sexy. Yeah. This Slim right here, y'all. This my homegirl Slim. Where you from?
Everywhere.
Okay, but you mainly from Chicago. Oh, this nigga is crazy. But you mainly from Chicago.
Chicago.
What side you repping?
That motherfucking town, the whole motherfucking world.
Hey, yeah, come on up the. Coming up the hill. Come on, give it that gas. Give it that gas. Nope. Hey, you better get out the way. Tried to get up the hill. He tried to get off the beach and get up the hill. It didn't make it. It didn't make it. Try again. Try again. Hey, hold on. Let me get out this nigga's way. Hey, get out of his way. You ready? Sir? Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. No, I didn't make it. So, this is a test. Cam and Rykers. Hey, you almost killed yourself. Hey, don't do that no more. Tree, nigga, tree. Uh-oh. I'm out. All right, the police showed up. Y'all got to get out of here. He got his ticket book out. He got his ticket book out. We out of here. Sorry, officer. We thought it was still purge night. Oh man, y'all see how it be. The police that showed up. CPD showed up. Broke up. Cam and Ryker ride a party. Woo! Let's get it. On to the next stop. Okay, we back at it. The police broke up our little party for a minute. Again, a minute. Maybe the police will follow us a little bit. Maybe they won't. But they gotta understand, this is a challenge that we're doing right now. We ain't got time to be playing around with them. We gotta win this challenge against these other states. If y'all wanna join in, come on, man. Send me something to C8Pay. Inbox me, I'll tell you where to send the video to, or just send it to my YouTube, however you want to do it. Show me your city. Get your team together. And I don't care if it's only 3 of y'all. Get it together. Show me your city challenge. Park your bike. Let me see where they'll let you park your bike at around your cool city, and where they'll let you film and record and take pictures of your cool sights and sounds around your city. We showing you Chicago tonight. You're getting a good, solid taste of Chicago. Hey, they going fast again. Man, they gonna throw my trans out in this SUV. Okay. My girl Slim trying to stay with me. Okay, Slim, I see you. Uh-oh, Slim might have hit that button. Did you hit that button? Okay, she didn't hit the button. Maybe she did for a minute, because she known for hitting that button. That button cut your bike off, you know what I'm saying? That cutoff button. All right. We showing y'all the sights and sounds of Chicago. Y'all gotta hear my big mouth for just a little while. Just a little while, y'all. But I gotta show you Chicago. I gotta show y'all my city. So now we are back at it at the next location, showing y'all beautiful Chicago. Showing you beautiful. You see it back there. Another one of our lovely museums. Another one of our lovely museums. Oh man, y'all get to even see one of our buses go by. Yeah, that's one of the clean buses. Y'all see it? We're giving y'all all museum action today. Chicago, it's a reason why Chicago is considered one of the most beautiful cities. It's a reason why. Here it is, right here. Okay. Let's get it. It's a beautiful city. Y'all see what's going on? Another museum. On to the next location, people. I'm trolling a group in the downtown Chicago. They done got on the bumpiest road in Chicago. It's called Lakeshore Drive. I call it Lakeshore Dive because with these bumps, it feel like you diving into something. So when you come to Chicago and you come in with a three-wheeler, you come with a motorcycle, don't even get on Lakeshore Drive. It's the bumpiest road in Chicago, but it takes you from the south side of Chicago to the north side of Chicago really, really fast. It's one of the fastest roads that'll take you there. But like we're about to go up a bump now. I'm in an SUV. Y'all saw the camera move. Now just think if you're on one of these bikes and you got to keep going through that over and over. Every freaking 2 minutes, it's another bump. Not even 2 minutes, I'm gonna say every 30 seconds. I don't know if they put this on here so we won't speed to the north side, I don't know what's going on. But Chicago, get it together. Lori Lightfoot, the mayor, get it together. Fix the Lakeshore Drive. It's pissing me off. But as y'all see, I'm keeping up with the group. We'll be back in a second at the next location. I'm showing y'all Chicago. Soldier Field, y'all. Soldier Field, Chicago. Our Bears lost yesterday, but we're gonna show it to you anyway. Chicago, Soldier Field. Y'all see the lights, the glitz, the glamour. Y'all see all the bikes. Come on, man, get with it. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. If y'all got rykers, y'all got bikers, y'all got rykers, y'all got three-wheelers, y'all got Can-Ams, y'all got spyders, show it to us. Make us believe it. Show us y'all city. Show us y'all city. Please. We want to see your city. And we back at another location just that quick. Y'all see how we do it? We showing y'all more sights and sounds. This is the Field Museum. This is the Field Museum. Y'all didn't even know Chicago had all these damn museums, did y'all? We got one up on y'all. Show me y'all museums in y'all city. Y'all see my team acting up. Y'all see my team acting up. Look, we even got white girls on our squad. What city you from? What city you reppin'? I see you. Yeah. Lay it back. You back up? You got your bike, you back up? You back up, you got your bike? Oh. Man, they ready tonight. Y'all see the team out here. Y'all see the team. At the Field Museum. The Field Museum. Another sight and sound of Chicago. Hey, I forgot to ask you, what city you from?
Chi-Town, baby.
What part of Chi-Town? You from where?
South side. CRR full effect, baby. Taking over everything, baby.
What city you from? Okay, I see you. That's Gabby, y'all.
Red for them.
Red. Okay. What up, boy? How you feeling? Hey, you keeping up with the group? They riding too fast? Man, why they always get on Lakeshore Drive? There's too many bumps on that damn thing. Man, hey, why they always get on Lakeshore Drive? There's too many goddamn bumps on there. Yo, that shit is dangerous, yo. That shit'll fuck your bike up. Y'all see this beautiful statue right here? Y'all see this beautiful statue? Now don't ask my dumb ass what the statue is for. It's in dedication to somebody. Y'all see it. Man, Chicago, wow, with these Can-Am bikes, man. Come on, man. Y'all got to come up here and ride with us, man. We wild with these bikes. Oh, Special Olympics. For the Special Olympics, y'all see it. That thing is beautiful for the Special Olympics. That thing, the Special Olympics, I forgot. What is... Uh-oh. The torch is lit. The torch is lit. Yeah. The torch is lit. Right here, this is called the Adler Planetarium. The Adler Planetarium. That's where we at. So this is another place to visit when you come to Chicago. In Chicago, we got so many sights and towns. We got the Field Museum, the Shed Aquarium, Bear Stadium, the Adler Museum, South Shore Coach Club. We got everything. Turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up. Okay, let's do this, Chicago Ryker Riders. Come on, come on. There it is. The sights and sounds of Chicago. There go more water right there. That's downtown right there, y'all. It's down there. We not that close to it. Uh-oh, I see y'all. Oh, turn up, turn up, turn up. I see y'all. Oh, oh, oh. One more time. Look at this fool. Look at this fool. Okay. Chicago Ryker Riders. This us. This my team. This my family. Everybody look that way. Okay, that's by downtown. Chicago Ryker Riders, y'all. If you can't beat us, you might as well join us. Come to Chicago, move to Chicago, man. We got this big family. Look at this. This ain't even half our family. This ain't even, we got a family, y'all. We are the Chicago Ryker Riders. Let's go. I got it. Okay. I see y'all. I see you, D. I see you. Yeah, y'all see beautiful Chicago behind that team. Y'all see what's behind. Oh my God, that's a beautiful video. Y'all don't even know what I'm looking at right now. Turn up. Turn up. Where you from? turn up. Hey, y'all don't know how good this video is. Hey, this it right here. Yeah. Hey, let's go.